Daddy. Elder J of life.
That's my boy.
Daddy, guess what's happening today?
Today? Today. Oh, you finally graduate college.
Daddy, I will graduate, but not that one. This one is better.
I know your brain cannot carry book. What can it be? Oh, I know. You win the lottery.
No, this is better.
Oh, Junior, stop teasing me. Oh, Jerry, let me know what is happening today.
Today is Father's Day.
You know, this Father's Day, I'm not very excited about it because every year all you give me is singlet and boxers. I'm tired.
Boxers and singlet. No, I'm getting you something better. Something that will blow your mind.
You have something better? God will bless you, my son.
Daddy, I've been thinking a lot lately that you've been so good to me. I know sometimes, we don't get along. Sometimes you're harsh. But I know that everything that you are doing is because you love me. It's out of love. You want me to prosper. You want me to do well. So I've been thinking about it that what can I get a man that loves me so much? And I had the perfect idea. I've got the perfect gift for you.
You are getting me a Ferrari.
Daddy, we are talking good gifts. You are talking cars. This is better than a car.
It's better than a car.
This is customized. Specially made for you, Daddy. Yeah. Let me show you. You will love it.
Finally, it's about to go down. My son. Junior, I trust you. I know that my prayers over you will be answered. You understand?
Here you go, sir.
You even put it in a pali. So why did you package it like this? Junior, it's not very heavy.
Yeah. Right, take your time.
Egbami. Junior, what is this? Junior, what is this?
But Dad, I made it for you.
A shirt. Ordinary shirt. For Father's Day.
Oluwa.
God. Why didn't I pull out? Why did I have a weak pull-out game? This boy is a waste of semen. Junior, you look at me. This is what you can give me. Oshisco shares for Father's Day. To your Lord. You must be an idiot. Junior, you must be a fool. In fact, you are a bloody fool. Nonsensical nonsense. So all your mates, they are buying their fathers. They are buying Bentley for their father. Ordinary Bentley, you cannot buy. Your mates are buying houses for their father for Father's Day. You, ordinary bungalow, just small bungalow, you cannot buy. You are buying me a red shirt. To graduate from college, get good grades for Father's Day, you cannot do it. All you have is this red Oshisco shirt. Junior, the thunder that will fire you. Take this red shirt and get it out of my sight, Ojere. Get out of my sight. You go for nothing, God forsaken, bastardized vagabond. Oshisco.